Training a dog for protection involves several key commands and behaviors. Here's a detailed overview of the process. 1. Basic obedience training. Sit. The dog must learn to sit on command. This establishes control. Stay. This command helps the dog remain in a specific position until released. Come. The dog should reliably return to you when called. 2. Controlled aggression training. Bite command. Teach the dog to bite on command. This should be done with a professional trainer to ensure safety. Release command. The dog should learn to release on command. This is crucial for control during training and real situations. 3. Alerting behavior. Watch. Teach the dog to alert you to the presence of a stranger. This can involve barking or staying focused on the person. Guard. Train the dog to assume a guarding posture when someone approaches your property or personal space. Socialization is key. Expose the dog to various environments, people, and other animals. A well-socialized dog can better discern threats from non-threats. Controlled scenarios are essential. Practice scenarios where the dog must respond to commands under controlled circumstances, gradually increasing the level of distraction or stress. Regular reinforcement is key. Use positive reinforcement to reward the dog for obeying commands. This builds a strong bond and ensures the dog understands what is expected. Professional help can make a big difference. Consider working with a professional trainer, especially one who specializes in protection training. They can provide tailored guidance and ensure safety. It's important to be aware of legal and ethical considerations. Be aware of local laws regarding protection dogs and the use of force. Training should focus on defense rather than aggression. Here are some important notes to keep in mind. Always prioritize safety for both the dog and others. Training should be fun and rewarding for the dog to maintain their enthusiasm and willingness to learn. Regular training sessions and refreshers are crucial to keep skills sharp. This comprehensive approach helps ensure that a protection-trained dog is effective, reliable, and safe in various situations.